4-goal thrashing. It was 4-1 this time. So the team was having a bad spell, and usually when teams really kick on at Christmas with so many games in so short a time, and gather points in the bag and kick away from other teams, we were slipping and losing ground.
Mike Stowell had paid the penalty for the 4 goals Wolves conceded at Reading, but it was to be another 4-goal drubbing away at Oldham, and Andy Ritchie was the main source of Wolves' embarrassment. His 2nd goal coming after 56 minutes. Persistence from Robbie Dennison did give Wolves some hope straight from the kickoff after that 2nd Oldham goal. But the respite for Wolves was short-lived, as 10 minutes later Andy Ritchie got his hat-trick. A miserable afternoon for the men in gold and black was rounded off when McCarthy made it 4-1 after 80 minutes.